guys, welcome back to the Beehive. Well, today, guess what we're doing? We're doing some cooking. And if you want to know what we're cooking, you know what to do. Stay tuned.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Welcome to Biology. Well, I am going to bring you something a little bit different because I have not cooked in a while on the channel. But guys, you know I love the healthy eating. We do a lot of healthy eating in our household. So, you know, Chick-Fil-A has this new salad. So guys, I'm going to drop a picture right here. So the new salad is the lemon kale Caesar salad with grilled chicken nuggets. Well, guys, of course, you know, I'm going to do my twist to it. I have prepared you what I think is going to be absolutely so delicious. So if you want to see how I do the salad, yeah, with a little bit of my twist, well, stay tuned.
Okay, so the first thing I want to do is take some chicken breast. So I have already washed my chicken breast, and this is a new season I'm using. This is Kinder's, and it is maple. And then you know I cook with my grill mates, so this is Mesquite. And this is my chicken seasoning and by Grill Mates. And I am going to add some A1 sauce, followed by some lime juice, guys. So let's get this mixed. So firstly, I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken seasoning in. And guys, please don't ask, well, how much is seasoning of this or how much is seasoning this? I am very, very old school. I go by eye measurement. I don't go by taking out measuring cups and measuring spoons. And I'm sorry, I just don't cook that way. So I am very unfortunate if that's what you're looking for, but I will do a semi recipe down on below in the description for you. But the twist that I'm doing with my chicken, I am adding lime juice and of course, you know, the A1 sauce. So guys, I'm gonna let you continue watching this. I am not going to stir this with my hand. I am going to use a metal spoon. So I am going to make sure that each piece of the chicken is fully coated with the A1 sauce, also with the lime juice, but definitely the seasoning. This lime juice, what it's going to do, is going to give it a citrus type feel to this, and it's going to be so good. I just know it's going to be good.
All day long, baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
So here I am cooking on my all-Clyde inside grill, and I am going to spray it down first, and I am going to turn it on searing. So I want my chicken to sear, so you can see it. Once it hit, it is good and hot. It was ready for this chicken. So first thing I want to do is just go ahead and sit it down. I am going to wait 7 minutes before I turn it. After the 7 minutes, I am going to turn it again. And you're going to see what I am going to add at the very end on top of this delicious seasoned chicken. So make sure you continue watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? The bell and the subscribe button is there. Hit that subscribe button first because you know you want to hit that bell, and make sure you hit the first one. It is the all button. On the bell, it's the all, because you don't want to miss not one of my videos. I drop videos often. I don't have a schedule, because if it's something that's on my mind I want to drop, oh yeah, I'm going to drop it. So go ahead and subscribe. Now my 7 minutes is up and I am ready to flip the chicken. And watch this. Oh, guys, look at that grill mark. Oh my gosh. You talk about some yummy looking chicken. And whatever you do, guys, please do not overcook your chicken because you want it to be a juicy piece of chicken. You don't want dry chicken at all. So just absolutely look at all of that yumminess.
Think about you, your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny.
Okay, it's time for me to put a twist on this light Caesar salad dressing. So I have my lime juice. And guys, guess what? Splenda! Yes. So let's go ahead and do this dressing. So what I am going to do, I am going to use the whole entire bottle of this seasoning. Yes, I did say the whole entire because why just make a little bit and if it's so good, then you will have to make more. And I am definitely using the light. I told you I am doing healthy eating, so I am definitely using the light version. So here I am pouring the entire bottle in. And also, if you want to know how to make this just totally homemade, I will leave that in the description down below also. But this is the cheat sheet type way to do it. And guys, it is absolutely so good. So, so delicious. So here, okay, once again, don't ask me measurements. I just did it by eye. I just put as much as I thought it may need to kill some of the Caesar to make sure I had enough of that citrus. In here, I am going to put some Splenda in it. And you know, guys, Splenda is not like your regular Dixie Crystal sugar. So this is going to mix perfectly, perfectly well. And remember, guys, no, I don't have measurements. This is just how I cook. So after I have stirred completely and made sure everything is what it's supposed to be, I did dab just a tiny bit in the palm of my hand and it was absolutely so, so good. So look at that. And guess what I did at the end? If you guessed, I put it back in the bottle. Yes, I did. So let's go ahead and check our chicken once again. And it is so absolutely so pretty. So after just checking it, I'm going to let it sear a little bit longer as I prepare my next item. So now I have washed my lettuce and it is time to give it a nice good cut. So here I am cutting the very tip end of the lettuce. I am not going to use, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of the lettuce, add it into my bowl, and yes, then we can go on to the next step. So see you when we get to the next step.
I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, baby, on your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Know what you do to me, between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You get
Lettuce done. So now back to the chicken and oh guys, look at that. Oh my goodness. I turned it down on low. On this, it's an all-Clyde inside grill. Guys, I absolutely love this item. I love everything. The mixing bowl that I'm using, it is also all-Clyde. So I have lots and lots of all-Clyde items. You name it, of all-Clyde. Yeah, I have it. So guys, now what I'm going to do with this chicken, as you see, I'm flipping it. I'm getting ready to add in some pure blended honey. Yes, guys, I did say honey. So I am going to give this a citrus honey seasoned taste. Oh, yeah.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly.
Okay, guys, it is time to see what this chicken is going to cut like. So, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. If you can smell my kitchen right now, I would definitely give you some smell-o-vision. Smells so good. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this, and look, guys. Just look at that. Very well seasoned, very tender, and guess what? With that splash of lime, along with that honey. Look at it, guys. Just look at that chicken. Absolutely beautiful.
Can't be replaced, so no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you.
Well, guys, it is time to plate, bowl. So the first thing I want to do, the bowl is made by the brand Soho. So I am going to add my lettuce in first. Once I get my lettuce in, I am going to add in some Parmesan cheese. Yes, guys, that is the cheese they are using for this salad. Parmesan cheese. It is very easy to find. Kraft do make it already prepared and shredded. So now followed by 2 lemons on the sides, 1 on each side. If you choose to have more, that is totally up to you. So now you know it's the store stopper. It is that yummy, yummy chicken. Guys, look at that salad already. And then we're going to put some of that dressing on. So, yes, let's load on the dressing, girls. Look at all of that yumminess. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is.
So guys, what did you think? How do you think the outcome, how does it look? Well, it's not always of what it looks like. It's always, guys, of what it tastes like. So look at that salad, guys. Absolutely. So, and you know, I put a twist on my chicken because I also add lemon juice to it. And also, guys, you saw I did at the end, I add honey. So let's go in for a bite. So, you know, I always have to make sure that I'm being fair. And you know what I mean by being fair. I got to give y'all a little taste first. Okay, how does it taste? So let me try. Oh, this is so good. I think mine would taste better than Chick-Fil-A. If you follow my recipe on the twist on this salad, please do it. Tag me. Here's my name. Tag me to your video. And guys, if you find the same seasoning, everything I did, all my seasonings and everything, don't ask me the measurements because you know I do freehand. So do it freehand. Mind your seasoning and your sauce. You know that sodium is a thing, so mind your sodium. So guys, if you do make this salad and you do it the way I did it, please do put it hashtag Viology or at Viology. So guys, this is so good. You already know what I'm about to tell you, right? You know what I'm about to tell you. Thanks for coming over to the V Hive and cooking with Viology. Me, Vandessa. And please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend, tell your local restaurant. This girl is on to something a little different with a twist. So guys, I gotta go. Until the next time, guys. I'm gonna tear this salad.
Show you that's true. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else